Welcome to hello guys, Bright Star CTC channel. I am MD.MURSHID. Today's main topic: how to download audio video from YouTube without any software. First of all, Google Chrome. Open the any video. F6 button, press the keyboard. Left arrow, press the keyboard. Right arrow, press the keyboard. Position. After a dot before Y, type double S. OK. Download. MP4 720. MP4 360. MP4 720. OK. Download complete. I'm saying goodbye, inviting you to watch the next video. Everyone will be healthy. God bless you. Allah Hafiz.